Hey, hello, vanakkam, namaste. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Mathurai, and today was another event where I did anchoring. And the event was about Edu Alliance, and it is a company which sends people abroad for their educational opportunities. Our event mainly focused about the agricultural opportunities, and it was a very insightful event because these experts gave us guidance on which field to choose, which country to choose, what are the qualifications we need, and of course the scholarship opportunities, and as well as the package. And there is a vast varieties of chances for agricultural students abroad. And if the chance is being utilized well, there is country that demands for agricultural experts because at the end agriculture is the only thing that is going to sustain this economy. And of course I had an interview and I had a talk with these very amazing chief guests, and they were all very lovely, and they had an amount of knowledge that requires them for spreading this. And it is not easy for people to get convinced about taking an abroad opportunity because everyone is very connected towards their motherland, and there are certain people who are very keen about getting into abroad. So you need to make sure the people who want to get into abroad are in the right track, and as well as bring people on the right track if they have any interest for abroad opportunity. So it was nice for me. I interacted a lot with these people and they were very kind and very sweet. And again, another successful event. I'll be adding these clips of these interviews in this. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye. Secretary of ACA Forum, Agriculture Business Empowerment Fair. It is my pleasure to serve you as the host today. We are gathered here for an insightful session as per Agri Abroad Global Opportunities for Higher Studies in Agri in collaboration for them beyond world. This seminar has been organized by the ACA Forum under the Placement and Corporate Relations Cell of DYPAVM in collaboration with Edu Alliance Educational Consultants Private Limited. On behalf of AVM and ACA Forum, I extend a warm welcome to our esteemed guests and Edu Alliance. We are grateful for your presence today and taking the time to guide our students about exciting global opportunities available in the field of agriculture and agribusiness. Your expertise and insight will surely be inspiring to many students to explore international academic pathways and broader career opportunities. We are honored to have you up today. To begin with today's program on an auspicious note, we will now proceed with the Saraswati Puja, followed by the ceremonial lamp lighting. Goddess Saraswati is revered as the embodiment of knowledge, wisdom, learning and creativity. Seeking her blessings at the beginning of academic symbolizes our dedication to learning and intellectual growth. The lighting of lamps is a sacred tradition in Indian culture. It signifies the removal of darkness and ignorance and spreading of light, knowledge and wisdom. As we gather here today to explore global opportunities in agriculture and higher education, this ritual reminds us that knowledge is a guiding light that leads us towards progress and success. Guys, so we had an interesting career counseling session from Edu Alliance for foreign opportunities. I am here with Pallavi ma'am. And how was your day today? How do you like our college?
Hello. Actually, Attu has been a wonderful student, and this was a wonderful day actually for all of us, and the students were great actually, and I would like to thank them for cooperating so much. And of course, I know the session has been very informative for them. So after this session, I think many students would like to, they've opened up the idea about studying abroad, and there are many opportunities abroad as well. So I would like to wish them luck for their future. And yes, Atu is a very talented girl, and I'm lucky to meet her actually, and she's a wonderful personality.
Thank you. And ma'am also posts so much vlogs. We have so much in common at this point.
Yes, actually that is why I can relate to her.
Relatable.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you so much.
Now we are with Priyanka ma'am, the IELTS trainer. And ma'am, how was your experience today?
It was lovely coming to DY Patil College and meeting this lovely agricultural field students. They're so enthusiastic and they want to know more about study abroad, and they want information about it and see how their career takes them forward to other study destinations. I'm also looking forward to come across more students from DY Patil, mostly from agriculture sector. I hope I see a lot of students from here. Best of luck for them.
We would definitely. This was insightful, and that session made sure we knew what exactly is going on in the market, and it is needed for us. So
And also, IELTS plays a very important role in everybody who is planning to study abroad. It's a very crucial step. So, if not IELTS, you do not want to go abroad, please join it only for improving your English so that you get a hold on your English as well. Thank you.
thank you. I am here with Alan sir from Edu Islands, and how was your experience today, sir?
I actually was not expecting this kind of reception. So I really like the approach of the students towards what they're actually looking towards their careers. They want to have options in the context of study overseas session that we have. Most of them were very enthusiastic in knowing certain things. Apart from that, what is the next career goal, what are the processes, what can make it, how they can make it large into this particular in the programs, understanding more about the programs availability. Apart from that, there was something that they really wanted to understand more, in the context of how to take it forward. So that is what I liked really. The approach of the students was wonderful, and I really liked coming here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
I am here with Reena ma'am from Edu Islands, and ma'am, आपका experience आज कैसा था?
बहुत अच्छा था एक्सपीरियंस. स्टूडेंट्स आर वेरी कोऑपरेटिव. उन्होंने अच्छे से सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन सुनी. मैंने हर एक कंट्री का डिटेल में इन्फॉर्मेशन भी बताया उनको. एप्लीकेशन कैसे करना चाहिए, वीज़ाज़ की क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स होते हैं, एडमिशन्स कैसे करते हैं, डिटेल में सारा डिस्कशन हुआ है. बट मैं यही बोलूँगी कि पर्सनलाइज्ड काउंसलिंग के लिए ऑफिस में आए. डेफिनेटली पर्सनली जब हम बैठ के डिस्कस करते हैं बातें और क्लियर होती हैं. सो लेट्स सी कौन कौन से स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं.
Yes, okay मैम.
थैंक यू.
हम ज़रूर आएंगे.
या
एंड वेरी नाइस सेशन. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे.
थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू. बाय बाय.